Hello everyone, let's start the weekly forecast now. So let's start from monthly time frame. Now we're just gonna quick look what's happening on the monthly now. So looking at the monthly like always, this is the month of February start now. So we still very bullish, but we see the big tail week rejection happen in the month of January now. So we should expect this market should continue pushing up now, but we need some sort of the evidence to prove where we can go further up and but it's a high chances we can go up and but maybe on the lower time frame we see some sort of the support from that we try to go for fill this week now. So don't really keen about the monthly because we're not the positional trader. You're gonna hold the trade for the weeks and months, so not really keen on this one. Let's look at the weekly time frame now. The weekly time frame look getting very interesting now because we find the support on the weekly time frame now, and now there is a very high chances on the weekly time now because since we have the support, we make the lower week, and then we can expect this market should gonna continue pushing up towards at least fill this week, and then I'm still expecting this market gonna continue up pushing up to fill the week all the way to the top now. So I'll keep an eye now on the daily time frame since we have the support now. We got a support already here at the bottom, which is like 4,300, which is miles down. Obviously, we come down here to retest it. But so now if you look at it daily now, daily time frame showing us we had the support form around this area. And then we can clearly see this market has a resistance form. Now the only thing is, so there's potentially the breakout gonna happen, and then we're gonna see this market gonna continue pushing upside now. Now, if you look very closely now, the breakout does happen, but it's a very minor one. So now we look to see the market maybe push, goes further up a tiny bit, start retracing, and then we're gonna possibly looking for the trade on the upside now. So very high chances we're gonna keep pushing towards all the way to the top around this level now. So if we put lines around here now, so this is the area we're gonna target. So that will be go a bit high. Okay, let's go six, go with six, yeah. So this is the area we can potentially go for it now. So if we ever taken this out now, so it's look very close. I think the way it's look like it's taken now, but we will see maybe the coming weekdays now. Maybe we'll see breakable, and then again it's a daily time frame now. So if we start making the lower week, then I can expect okay, you know what? There's a high chances we're gonna keep pushing upside now. But if we start opening goes up like this now, and then all of the sudden we start gonna come down, then I probably won't be interested on the buy side now. But if we're making the lower week first like this and then start taking it, then it's very high chance that we're gonna keep pushing towards the upside now. At least goes towards this week full area. We're gonna target it, and then we're gonna go further up because we got the ranges wise. We got the massive range goes in the market now. Again, it's a daily time frame. I'm just gonna go on the higher time frame, which is daily at least, to determine what's the direction. If it's a buy, then I'm gonna stick with the direction of the buy in the market. At the moment, we are at the resistance level, which has been taken out now. So we should have a continually pushing upside now. So we had this range we need to target the area now, and this is the range from 49.64 to 54.23. So that is something like 5,000 pips range again now, $500. So well and truly in for us now, so we can target this range now. If we look at 4 hour now, so this is where the business part coming on now, where we stick around the 4 hour a lot now. So now the 4 hour tell us something different now. The 4 hour, we had the support around here, right at the bottom. So now the 4 hour had the support here, market come, market retest it, and then we make the new support around here now. So now the 4 hour find the support, then we can manage to break above on the 4 hour resistance now. So now there is a very high chance we're gonna keep pushing towards the upside now. And then obviously the candle happened this one. This is confirmed the continuation, which mean if we start making the lower, we start taking the high off, we're gonna go retest this area now. And we are exactly around this area we want to be now. So now if by looking at the 4 hour time frame now, we 4 hour already tapped the target now if we line up the things again now, so we have the support here, we have the resistance here now. So for us to go further up now, I love to see some sort of the price action happen in term of maybe 4 hour break above like this now. So now we know we clearly breakout happen. So now after that point, we're looking for the market. Let's start retracing because we know we're moving a lot on the top now, and we're waiting for the market to find the support now. Any given time we find the support, then in this regard now, let's say we find the support like this now, that we know this is the area we can target. Low wick happen, start taking high out. This is the first area. Once we taken this out, then we're gonna go for the next level, which is around here 50, 80, and this is the way we can look for the market now on the base of the 4 hour time frame. So again, not really trading in Asian session now, so it won't be big effect for me in terms of now I will be trading London, so there will be two 4 hour candle already be closed now. So look to see them two 4 hour candle start retracing, finding the support, and I look to go for the buy side on here now. Is another possible opportunity possibility happen now? Maybe we're gonna start like this now, the first 4 hour candle, and then the next candle find the support here, and then the third candle gonna start, which will be the pre-London 6 o'clock London time. Then we can expect it. The London volume gonna come in. We can expect this market gonna retest the high. With the volume, we should expect this market continue pushing up towards the direction of the buy. And then meanwhile, the 4 hour daily is already breakout as well now. So this is the one most likely I will be looking for it now. If that thing has happened, much more safer. We got the range. We know what we're gonna target from this market. Now we're gonna target this small area first. After this taken note, we got all this full range to go on. But we try not to be greedy where the profit available. We always take the profit because market reverse a lot these days. So we will take the benefit of whatever we got it in the market. We'll take the profit and leave the return for the later part now where we can take the most profit of it now. If we jump on 30 minute now, this is where the thing is literally can't even find anything on M30 now because the Friday was full of rubbish. Now, this is the market I love to stay away from it now because the market, this is the better option now here. We went up now, we come straight back down. 30 minute candle find the support here now. I was waiting for the buy, but I never taken out. It cannot go buy now. Next candle close bearish. Very high chance we're gonna support here now. Nothing really happened. Let the market go all. But after this one, the market is a complete mess. Market went up. Market corrected itself. Market went up. Market corrected itself. So I am staying away from this type of the market now because the markets keep correcting itself with every single move now. So we don't really want to be. I want market to move nice and clean, like say something like here. So at least I know I got the direction to cover it if the market wanna go back up now. Say for example, we have the support coming on. We got the London volume coming now. We have a clean range. We close as a bullish now. If the next candle close, say for example, like this is the candle close. If we close above here now, we got all this range to target. And I'm looking for the potential buy as well. In this case now, we managed to close above here. Good chance we're gonna keep pushing upside, and that's what the trading is now. Looking at M30, I'm literally not interested in this market. This market is a complete mess. I want this market to start trending, whichever you want. Love to see this market start trending something bearish or anything. So at least give me some sort of the range to work around with. And if that doesn't happen, I am not going on these type of the market now completely. I will go on. There was some sort of the trade goes on Friday around certain area somewhere here. Where's M15 potentially? M15 happen. Yeah, down here now. So there was a potential sell setup happen here. Now the only problem was going on with here now is this market, the uh, next candle did not make the upper wick first. The next candle just straight crash down like this. Then all the way come up here, leaving the big tail wick down, and then start making the upper wick. In this case now, again, we're not interested. We look to see the market making the fulfill the condition, which is upper wick. Then start taking the low out. Then we're gonna go for it. At least we know the stop loss. In this case now, we don't know the stop loss gonna be a bit bigger. We're not choosing it. So we look to see it literally 30-minute time frame. We got nothing, but daily time frame look rock solid now. Maybe gonna keep pushing. We got a good range, but it's right at the resistance, but is taken on the daily time frame. So daily will be the bullish now. 4 hour time frame, we are at the resistance level. We can't confirm it, so we are not 100% sure we're gonna go. And maybe we're gonna see a small pullback, find the support. We're gonna go potentially buy. So I will be looking for that pullback first before I'm going for the buy now. 30-minute time frame, we literally got nothing. So that is pretty much now. Recently looking at the US tech as well now. Just have a quick look because I was looking at it now. This pair is literally at the resistance level now. We moved a lot on Friday. We are bullish, bullish, bullish. Now we find the resistance now. Love to see this pair start moving down first. It is very high chance that this pair gonna move down now because we we got a clean range, we got the rejection. Now all we need a confirmation candle. If we manage to close like this, very high chance we're gonna keep pushing down. But again, we can't treat this as like the goal or the commodity. So we have to keep an eye now. Apart from that, literally nothing. So we'll see how the market open. Hopefully no gaps or nothing. But apart from that, literally there's nothing on here. And gold literally just keep correcting itself in every single move. So nothing we can do now. That's all from my side. Thank you.